Introducing the next generation of UniFi Mobility, featuring industry-leading hardware design and incredible software. Today we're excited to announce the UMR Industrial, the ultimate mobile routing solution completely unlocked to work with carrier networks around the world. The UMR Industrial's well-thought-out design facilitates easy installation with versatile powering options and comprehensive antenna flexibility for both indoors or outdoors, even eliminating the need for an additional utility box. And with UniFi Mobility, new device setup is effortless from the UniFi Mobility Manager at mobility.ui.com. Need to connect back to a VPN server? No problem. You can even build seamless site-to-site VPN connections with UniFi Cloud Gateway sites. Ubiquity, rethinking IT.